ओम सर्वगाय नमः। सर्वगम ये प्रपश्यन्ति निरतेस्ते शिरोगताः। The seekers who realize that the Almighty is Sarvaga, omnipresent, will overcome the confinement of this worldly life. सर्वमित्याकाशे सर्वः सर्वप्रदत्वात्तु प्रकृतौ पुरुषोत्तमः। सर्वाभिमानिनी देवी मूलप्रकृतिरेव च सर्वं विष्णौ स्थितं विष्णोः जातं विष्णोर्वशे सदा। Goddess Lakshmi is named Sarva as she is the presiding deity of this entire universe. Her Lord Vishnu is named Sarvaga. He is omnipresent and omniscient. By His grace, all of us can know all the things we are supposed to know through all the available sources and mentors. एकं च तत्त्वतो वेत्तुं विना सर्वज्ञतां नरः न समर्थो महेन्द्रोऽपि तस्मात् सर्वत्र जिज्ञसेत्. Not even a small thing can be known completely unless all the concerned things are known. So, one should try to know all the things one is supposed to know. सर्वैश्च वेदैः परमो हि देवो विज्ञास्योऽसौ नाल्पवेदैः प्रसिद्धेत्. The Lord can be known only through all the concerned scriptures, such as Vedas, Puranas, and so on. He cannot be known by those who go through only a few scriptures. न ह्येकस्मात् गुरोर्ज्ञानं सुस्थिरं स्यात् स्वपुष्कलम् ब्रह्मैतदद्वितीयं वै गीयते बहुदर्शिभिः एकस्मात् तु गुरोर्ज्ञानं जायते नैव कस्यचित्. An everlasting and adequate knowledge cannot be gained from a single guru, mentor, because the Brahma, Supreme Being, is described by knowledgeable men in their own different ways. So, the Lord is known Sarvaga as He can be known by all of us when we know all the things we are supposed to know through all the available sources and all the gurus.